Hi, I'm Rebecca Brandon. I'm going to talk to you about this really great book I found on love relationships. I live a very fun life in Santa Barbara with lots of great parties and lots of great friends. And 50% of my friends happen to be male. There's got to be one of those that's going to be my magic in my relationship for the rest of my life. It's written by George Ehrman, and it blends in the psychology, the dynamics, the chemistry, emotional and physical, and also intellectual about how to make relationships work. I need some help. It's called The Grey Dance of Love. It's an enchanting love story with the magical formula for love. And in it, there are 8 magical love potions so you can find the one that fits best with who you are and your personality. And George Ehrman has a website as well, so you can take those tests to figure out which ones you are. It's fall, and I love cozying up by the fire and reading the book. I really love the parts about how to create, ignite, and reignite sparks, because I've met a lot of people in my life, and some of them I really wanted the spark to happen, but I didn't know how to get the spark to light. I want to put my best forward, but I don't always have the courage to do that. I've been in this reading frenzy lately because it's really my quest in life to be in love for the rest of my life with the right partner. The Grey Dance of Love is the book that really pulled it all together for me. It has a step-by-step guide, so it makes it easy. I love the way that George Ehrman formatted the book because it was simple to read. I could find the headings and the titles that interested me the most, and I could focus on them. And he also has a whole lot of illustrations that kept the book really lively and fun for me. And in those chapters are tips, and the tips will pop up to let you know what the sum up of that paragraph you just read was, to make it even more thoroughly ingrained in your head so you don't forget the next time you're out looking to ignite that spark. Unfortunately, in my life, I might have been attracted to a few of those bad boys, and you might be attracted to bad boys or bad girls. This book let me figure out how to create a spark with the right person that felt very authentic to me. And if you're following me in social media, you know I have a whole lot of people that are really in the friend zone of my life. Well, a couple of them I'd like to move into the romance zone. And this book really helps me figure out exactly how to do that. So I'm so excited by these new tools I have looked. I feel that this is going to be my year to really break out with a love relationship that's going to last a lifetime for me. I hope you comment and you tell me your well wishes for that, because I need the support of everyone watching this video right now, because that's where I want to go in my life. I want to be in love and be married and have the most wonderful life for the rest of my life. And at my age, there's no time like the present. I have to say, another great chapter in the book was about cheating, why it happens, and how to get that out of your relationships and avoid it. It's not a good thing. It's really going to mess things up. It kind of answered why people cheat, because that's a really good thing to know, because if you can understand the reasons why, maybe you can thwart that so it doesn't rear its ugly head. It talks about the missing links of how to create magic in your relationship so that when you have an attraction or you create your attraction, how to get it to stay for an entire lifetime. My whole thing is I've always wanted to be in love and retain that love throughout a relationship before I sealed the deal. And that gets scary because I'm not quite sure how I can keep that feeling. I want to be in love with that relationship I'm going to devote and commit myself to. This book really helped me figure out what was going on in my head and the steps to take so it could happen. So now I think I'm ready. Watch out, because now with the tips I have and the confidence I have, I think I can step out and make one of those relationships turn into what I really want, which is a love relationship for the rest of my life. This book, The Grey Dance of Love, has really helped, and I'm super excited for my next chapter in my life. Click the link below to get the Grey Dance of Love book, and let's have a conversation in the comments about love, and let me know what your heart yearns for, what you have. Maybe you have a great marriage that is working for you, or a relationship, or maybe you're looking and you're on the market. Let's all talk about it, because don't we all want everlasting love with the most passion for the rest of our lives? Well, I sure do. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great love in life. Time for some love. If you like this video about topics of love, there's a few more over here. I hope you like this too.